morning, we get a chance to be different, a chance to be changed, a chance to be better. Our past is our past. We should leave it there and have faith for a better tomorrow. With, with these motivational lines and brightest morning to everyone, I Rasan listening with my classmates. Welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Let's start our morning assembly.
Good. Attention. Ready for the everyone. Join our hands and close your eyes.
Being a citizen of this country means to protect, defend, and be loyal. Let us recite the plays with dignity and pride for our country. For plays, I would like to invite Binori.
Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be
strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I place my devotion
I place my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and and prosperity alone
In prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
We should never say lie, never leave the path of dharma. Shared by Swami Dayanand Saraswati Ji. For Arya Samaj, I would like to call Tanishka.
School, stand at it.
10 principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 1. The Vedas are
The Vedas are the
scriptures of
scriptures of
all true knowledge.
all true knowledge.
It is the duty of
It is the duty of
all Aryas
all Aryas
to read them,
to read them,
to hear them being read,
to hear them being read,
and recite them to others.
and recite them to others.
Principle number 4. We should always
We should always
try to be, say the truth,
say the truth,
and give up untruth.
and give up untruth.
Thank you. It's helpful for everybody to have a good and motivated morning. So to brighten our morning, I would like to invite Umika for today's thought.
Good morning to all. Today's thought is, at the day when you start copying others, at that moment you will lose your original. I repeat it, the day when you start copying others, at that moment you will lose your original. Thank you.
School, attention. Ready for prayer song.
We must stay up to date and inform about economical news, political news, current affairs and happening across India. Let us listen today's news headlines. For this, I would like to invite Akars.
School, stand at it.
Good morning everyone. Today's news headlines are: number 1. Afradi could borrow 200 crore in IPL. Pakistan journalists make big claim. Number 2. Punjabi actor Jeet Sindhu accused in Red Fort violence dies in road accident. Number 3. Chinese space jump, not SpaceX rocket debris headed for moon, say astronomers. Number 4. UP polls 17% of candidates contesting third phase face serious criminal cases. Number 5. Furious PX Indian cricketer slams timing for Rohit keep it quiet. Kohli remarks. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Acknowledging the collection of facts help our mind to conceive big thoughts. I would like to invite Princey for fact five.
Good morning all. Today's fact file is based on Mahatma Hansraj. Fact number 1. Lala Hansraj, an eminent follower of Arya Samaj, and Lala Hansraj was born in a small town Bajwara in Hoshiarpur, district of Punjab on 19 April 1864. Fact number 2. Lala Hansraj, who soon came to be known as Mahatma for his contribution and commitment in social service. He had put his heart, soul and worldly wealth into the job to provide high quality education to children. Fact number 3. His string appealed to rejuvenate Aryan Hinduism by going back to the Vedas, who believed in one God, rejecting idol worship and the caste system. Fact number 4. He was associated to band of devotees like Lala Lajpat Rai and played a huge role in propagating values of Arya Samaj in the state of Punjab. Fact number 5. Mahatma Hansraj used to maintain strict schedule of work from early morning to late night. It took a heavy toll on his health. He used his solace in prayers. His favorite mantra was Om Vishwani Deva. Fact number 6. On November 14, 1938 at 11 p.m., the great son of India breathed his last. His body was brought to the DAV College, where thousands of people from all walks of life and communities came to pay homage. Fact number 7. In memory of the great son of India, Hansraj College in Delhi was established and made him immortal. That's all. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
School, attention! Ready for national anthem.
And now I would conclude, success is no accident. It is hard work, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what are you doing and what are learning to do. Thank you all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.
School, stand at ease. Assembly